Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit funds into your Phantom wallet so you can start storing or trading your crypto. It's simple and you'll be ready in just a few steps. Open your Phantom wallet and make sure you're on the main account screen. Look for the deposit or receive option and tap it. Phantom will show you the wallet address and a QR code for the token you want to deposit. Copy the wallet address exactly, or scan the QR code from another wallet or exchange where your funds are currently held. Make sure the network matches the token you're sending, for example, Solana, to avoid losing your crypto. Once you've copied the address, go to the platform where your crypto is stored and initiate a send or withdrawal. Paste your Phantom wallet address as the recipient, choose the amount you want to send, and confirm the transaction. Once it's processed on the blockchain, your funds will appear in your Phantom wallet. For larger deposits, it's always a good idea to send a small test amount first to make sure everything works correctly. And that's it. Your crypto is now safely in Phantom, ready to use for trading, staking, or holding. If this guide helped you, stick around for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone!